Okay, it's early in the morning, earlier than I like to be up. I do odd jobs. Got to keep it vague. This is one of them, which I don't mind you seeing. So we're gonna show you the ride to work early in the morning. All right, coming up to Market Street, there's actually two routes we can take on this ride, and this one's the easiest because they have Fairgrounds Road all dug up. So we're coming in from the south instead of coming in from the north. The north is actually the more fun ride. I can go faster for more of the time. But this one's not so bad either. We just got to cut through downtown. The thing about preparing, especially early in the morning when you're not a morning person, for various jobs are, do I have everything? Because preparation is different depending on what it is. And all I can think of while I'm riding is, oh shit, did I forget anything? Well, if I did, it's too late now. So this is where it gets fun, finally. We're on Ricketts. And I think you all know where I'm going, up to the gun range. So, you know, I don't really care if you're trying to find me or something and map it out. It's really not the place you want to attack me at anyway. Tell you, this Ultima sucks. I like to go flying down this road, but it's not going to happen today. We're doing all of like 33. Turning on Blodgett View. I love this road. My favorite part of this job. My friends, that was just a quickie. Hope you enjoyed. I got to get this sucker opened up. You guys ready to have some real fun? Yeah, I thought we were riding, but we're driving. Let's go on a range sweep. High gear, rock and roll. All clear on Pistol Bays. Now we gotta check the open bays. All clear. All clear. And all clear. Woohoo! Come on, spin this sucker.